Today we got a video from New York Detective, and the title of the video is Woman Tries to Buy $35,399 worth of jewelry with a fake ID. Oh boy.
December 17th, 2025, deputies were dispatched to a store after receiving reports of fraud.
Okay, I would want to do that. Just like, I'm not getting any. Okay, so we don't tell them hi.
Hi. Is the manager here?
Yes, I'm the assistant manager. There you are, my dear. So you were already in contact with the store manager, right?
No.
Okay, so dispatch should have been called by the store manager here. She's not physically here, but she called. I have. What happened?
Don't even try anything.
Oh, whoa.
You're being detained.
Whoa, don't move now. Might have to get you together in here, man. Yeah, might have to drop you like a bad habit. Don't move.
Put the phone down.
Get off that
You're
phone.
being detained.
What are you doing?
I just said you are being detained. You are not free to leave.
Okay, I'm not. Can I call somebody? Am I allowed to call somebody?
Huh?
Didn't you wait?
Huh?
I said, why didn't you wait?
Because she was getting.
No, I didn't.
You should have waited for me to come over.
She was getting frisky.
Can I take like a phone call?
No, not right now. We'll get to it in a minute.
Daddy.
Two lady cops, too. Ooh, wee. You know how the lady cops are with a lady suspect.
Can you at least just write a phone number down for me, please?
You don't get to keep your phone.
Okay.
So, what's your real name?
I need to call my lawyer.
You need to identify yourself.
The name. This is the
was Brittany Green.
ID.
That's the phone number. Obviously, you know. That's all right. Just see if we can pull it up. You need to identify yourself. When you go to jail, they'll put you in a safe book for 3 days.
I can't do it.
I'll put it back on. We're going to get But we're in our conducting an investigation right now, so you have to identify yourself. If you choose not to, you'll get a resisting charge.
Okay,
So you want to give your real name?
it's right there.
Well, it's not your real name.
Yes.
Ashley. Ashley Jenkins.
Okay.
So, what exactly happened?
Okay, so
Start with the size.
So she has been to my storage in all of Orlando, and all of the managers have been about this for months. I don't know if she did previous to this. We have a couple that come like frequently, and she's trying. And she has good social numbers that have that open 10,000 accounts to take the heaviest thing you can pawn.
What? I can't even hear what you saying. What is you saying? What? Man, we might have to put captions on this mug. What is she saying, man?
Okay, so
Start with the size.
So she has been to my storage in all of Orlando, and all of the managers have been about this for months. I don't know if she did previous to this. We have a couple that come like frequently, and she's trying. And she has good social numbers that have that open 10,000 accounts to take the heaviest thing you can pawn, and like just only 7,000.
So they open up credit cards to buy
They
brand.
the pawn, so they buy the easiest pawn things, which is the heaviest gold we can, and that's what she was like. They've claimed my loss prevention's last notice of about her specifically. The case was to call the police because of how many times and how many accounts they've already opened. So
Do you know
there's
how many times she's done it here?
in my location, this is the first thing.
Okay.
But it's
regional?
HRK Jewelers in Orlando specifically a bunch of times.
Okay.
Yes. At Waterford Lakes, at Florida Mall, at Winter Garden, Davenport, I believe, on one more location. And a couple of them she goes back regularly to try. And the last time they called the police and the police never came. So thank you so much, my love. I appreciate you.
Of course. I'm gonna need your ID.
Yeah.
Once you need to go get a statement. And just try to have the ring get down. Let me grab it. There you go.
No.
So she was just gonna keep trying until she was successful, because it seems like she hasn't been successful. Just keep making accounts until one hits, huh? Nah, it ain't gonna work like that.
Because we were doing the credit account. But after we did the credit account, then we were going to see.
Then what?
After we did the credit account, then she wanted to see what she would qualify for to buy them.
Okay.
But we had to have the credit account in order for her to purchase it.
Yeah.
Actually. Previous legal change. To this legal change, the SEC cost $6,999 SKU number.
Why you to pay orders at your office.
No, Matt, I love Matt. Matt about to go on the paternity leave.
That was their name version.
That was Matt?
No. It was just whoever's taking them home.
Ugh, the short guy. I hate him.
Tap on.
And this one for $6,899.99. SKU number 346-402.
No priors under that name.
401-527. Karma's a bitch, man. It's gonna suck.
Come on, New York detective. Y'all didn't have to keep all this dead space in here like this, man.
Why can't we do that song? Shine bright like a diamond. We're in a jewelry store.
I come up a million times a day. That's crazy. Okay, so I put the costs and I put the item numbers of each of them, the retail prices. Yeah, so Mama, what else do you need?
I will get one because they're gonna ask them.
Can we have a receipt?
Because she didn't buy anything, I don't have receipts unless it was physically
Can you get a
processed.
training one? You can't try to do one.
Training receipt? What you mean?
Like just print out like a void receipt, like you scan it and point it, and it prints out a paper usually.
I don't think so. That I know of, there's not a way for me to. I can like put them back in the system like how I had them, and then we can do like a picture. But there's
Will it have like all the prices?
yeah, it'll have it on it. Yeah. I wish. Yeah, I would do that if I could, but I have to charge something in order to do it.
You're also being trespassed from the home mall. You're trapped for up to a year, or you're subject to arrest.
Where am I going home? County? 33?
Yeah. Have you ever been there?
Yep. Take this off.
Have you ever been there? Of course she has. What do you mean? This is a career criminal. I could tell. I could see it through the screen. I could smell it. I could smell it through the screen. Career criminal. This is not the first time she's done something like this or another crime, and this will not be the last.
I don't know. You'll have to take everything out of jail anyways. So we don't gotta worry about that.
Okay, you're good. I know you got a gun in the cage, I'm not gonna run.
Am I doing something wrong?
Please, if you...
Trust me, this is not a squeeze at all.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Did you say I could have a cigarette out of this?
Yeah, just over there.
I wanted to see. No. I really don't want you. Fuck my. Where are we going? Oh shit. That shit's hurt. Ow. How to get them off my wrist. I mean, not off. I'm sorry, but like, not on the bone.
And on the other side. Okay. Face the car. What are your stance?
Is that what you said?
Hair tie. Huh?
Is that what you told me to do?
Yeah.
Put it on my lips.
Do you have anything on your little poke or prick me?
No, man. I think I got it later in my throat. No, up in my boobs, maybe.
A lighter?
Yeah. Oh. I don't know. I don't know what it is. I just it might. Hold on. It would be right here. Nope, it's not there. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Hurry. They're getting in her car, man. No, I just know how it's scared me. That's all. We're fine. It must be in the phone. I don't know. Maybe I put it in my purse. I'm sorry.
You definitely had a lighter in your purse.
I put lighters in it first. Yeah, then I put it back in my purse. Okay. I didn't recall saying 2 lighters in the purse.
Hold on 1 second. Or yeah, just
You're gonna let me smoke in here?
yeah. Well, just sit in real quick so I can grab it.
She was charged with fraud and trespass.